How to install FlixVision on Firestick or Android TV. So first, go ahead and install the downloader app on your or Android TV. While on the main page, go to Find and then click on Search. And then from here, start typing downloader on the search box. Click on the suggestion to search, and the app should appear as the first result. So click on it. Now click download and it will install automatically. After the installation, you can press the home button to go back. Now go to settings and select My Fire TV. The option is security and restrictions on Android devices, although this may vary with the manufacturer. Open the developer options and click to turn on apps from unknown sources. If you're using Firestick Gen, Firestick Lite, or Android TV, the option will be unknown apps. Once you select it, you will see downloader and you can then click it to turn on the option. Downloader is now ready to install the third-party app like FlixVision. However, you should also consider disabling data sharing to enhance your privacy if you have not done so. To do that, go back to the home screen, then click on Settings, Preferences, Privacy Settings. Now turn off device usage data and most importantly, collect app usage data. Now install FlixVision on Firestick and Android TV. Open the downloader app and type the URL flixvision.app/dl and click on Go. The installation file should now start downloading. You'll then be prompted to install it, so click on Install, and when installation gets complete, click on Done. After the FlixVision installation process ends, you'll get an option to delete the APK and save space. So click on Delete, click Delete once more to confirm, and after that, go to your Apps section and you will find the new app. And that is how you can basically install FlixVision on Firestick or Android TV.